Hi guys, welcome back to our tutorial. Want to maximize your revenue and streamline your checkout process in WooCommerce? I'll show you how to create conditional fees using YayPricing to apply extra charges based on specific conditions, like payment methods, shipping zones, or cart totals. Plus, I'll share some expert marketing tips to boost your sales along the way. Let's dive in. Start with our WordPress dashboard here. We've installed YayPricing Pro on our website. You can download the YayPricing Lite version from the WordPress repository, or choose YayPricing Pro on Ecommerce website for more advanced features. We've figured out many potential promotion strategies. Okay, let's configure our first conditional fee. We'll try to create a rule with no preset templates from scratch. I'm going to choose rule type is product fee. The pricing type will be fixed fee. I'm going to leave it as $20, for example. Assign product is Okay, I'll move to the Conditions tab to set a condition for this rule. I want to create a rule like, add a fee $20 when customers purchase more than 5 items. So I'm going to set a condition as cart quantity will more greater than 5. Yeah, when satisfied with the rule you have created, switch this toggle button to enable this rule and hit the Save Change. But I'm not. I want to add some interesting things to our campaign, so I'll set up a banner to let our customers clearly understand our campaign. Navigate to the Settings tab here, Encourage Notice, and click to enable Show Encourage Notice. I'll add a banner instead of simple text. Hit the Save button and check the result on the front end of your WooCommerce store. First, you can see a notice banner here. Try to add about 5 items and check out. Yeah, YayPricing Auto includes $20 to each product price as an extra conditional fee. If you didn't meet the condition, it will show the original price. You see it? Add more products. And yeah, the price in cart includes the extra fee here. It works well. Thus, with YayPricing, you can add an extra fee for each product on the customer's cart based on product quantity, product category, payment method, shipping location, and so on. Take YayPricing now and check more videos of our tutorial to make your WooCommerce store stand out.